In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Affirm on Goat. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. All you have to do is to open up the latest version of the Affirm mobile app on your phone or the Affirm website, either on your computer or your phone through a web browser. When you open up Affirm, use the search function at the top of the screen to look for Goat. It should pop up immediately, and when you select it, you will have the option to click Shop Now to be redirected to the store. Select Shop Now and you will be redirected to the Goat website, either on your computer or your phone, like I said. When you arrive at the website, you simply have to browse through the items and find exactly what you want to buy. The process of using Affirm as a payment method will be available on the checkout, so all you have to do now is browse through every available item and find what you want to buy. So as you can see, I'm just going to click this item and proceed to the checkout. Select whichever one you want to buy as long as it's available. Select and fill out your information. Either use your credentials if you already have an account or check out as a guest. After you fill all this information related to shipping, you will be able to go to the Payment tab and from here select Affirm. As you can see, when you click Affirm, you simply have to confirm it again by placing the order with Affirm, and you will have to log into your Affirm account to finish your purchase inside of Goat. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Affirm on Goat. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.